Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Planning Roses planner. And I'm using a cute little kit today along with some stickers from Capital Chic Designs. I have this book. I've used a ton of the stickers in here, but it's all leopard themed, and I thought some of these cute like girl stickers and just some of the deco would be fun to include in this spread. So I have 3 pages of this kit, and let me show it to you real quick because it's super cute. This is from hancanplan. I remember when I ordered this, I got these 3 pages and I didn't get the full boxes, and I don't know why, but here we are. We're gonna make it work. So I've got page A, C, and D from the Wild and Free kit. I adore like the patterns in this kit. So pretty, super fun. I just got the Happy Planner like colorful leopard book, which I'm hoping to use in the future, and this kind of reminds me of that a little bit. Really cute. And then her scripts are just so fun. So I'm excited to use this kit this week along with some of these Capital Chic Design stickers. I do want to say this may be one of the last plan with me's in this planner. I know that I haven't been in here for very long, but let me just explain real fast, and then I'll like go through the whole thing when I introduce like my new system and all that. Okay, so the reason I started using this planner in February was it was after my accident. I took a planning break and I felt the need at that time to simplify. I didn't need like all of the space, but I still wanted to do like decorative planning. And so this seemed like a really good solution to that, you know, just like downsizing a little bit. But as time has gone on, I have wanted to simplify even more, and I've felt the itch in the past month or so to change even more, like simplify even more. I decided like doing 2 decorative spreads a week, like I have my memory planner and this planner. It was just a lot, you know, with producing content with my planners, it's a lot of work. So I need to simplify more. I will show you the planner that I got very soon. But I want to let you know that this is one of the last plan with me's. I still may like do fun spreads in here. But I mean, it's been fun. I really do love this planner. I recommend it to anyone who wants kind of like that in between kind of planner where you're like smaller, but still decorative. This is such a great option. I still love this planner. So there's nothing against this planner. It's totally me. Like, it's not the planner, it's me. But I am excited to kind of push myself creatively in a new planner. And I will definitely show you all of that when the time comes. So June is going to be just like a big experiment with planning. And I'm excited to see what's next and to just kind of see what works in this season of my life, because I still want to do my memory keeping for sure. And I still want to use kits in that and just be like, go crazy with the kits. But in the future, in like my everyday planning, I want to just kind of, you know, cut it down, go back to basics a little bit. So I'm excited about it, and I'm excited to share it with you when we get there. Okay, all that to say, I'm ready to do this spread, and I'm excited to use this kit. Love the patterns and the colors. It's going to be fun. So, oh, hold on. Just a little sneak peek into like my simplification too. I am moving my goals into the companion notebooks for Moxie Life. So here are my little weekly actions. This is an A5 notebook. Really excited about this too. My goal video for June will be up before this video. So if you want to check out more about this little planner, I will link that for you and you can go and watch it. But here are my goals for this week. Really just like some maintenance things around the house, and then just some like future planning. I definitely want to get out to the canyon this week if at all possible. It's been raining so much that it is muddy down there, and they've got some trails closed. So I might have to push that off, but hopefully not. Health and wellness, just continuing with some things. And then my new morning routine is going really well. So I'm excited about being in here, and I'm going to eventually, once I get my new systems kind of figured out, I'm going to tear these out and like have them with my planner. So it's going to be nice. So I'm going to put this off to the side over here. What I love about this, by the way, is that it lays flat. It's so nice, and it's like portable. Okay, now we're ready to get started. All right, we're going to start with the washi in the habit tracker and to-do section. So one of the strips fit pretty much perfectly. So I'm just taking the other one and using that blank sticker area as a guide. And I did have to trim it just a little bit. So I trimmed on the side and the bottom and it worked perfectly. And it took me a while to get this, like, the cuts right, because I am notorious for making multiple cuts and none of them being right. So it took me a minute, but I got it. And then for date covers, I'm using the ones from the kit, and I love that she includes numbers. That's so nice. So I'm just popping those right onto the date covers and then putting them in their columns. I'm going down 4 dots if you have this planner, or 3 dots this time, because they're a little bit taller, but that's how I guide where I put my date covers. I don't know why. I just started doing that like the first time I made a spread, and I've done it ever since. So I just kind of figure out if 3 or 4 dots down is good and go with that. The only thing is, like, getting it on the other side is a little tricky, as you can see here, but I always figure it out. And then I'm just testing colors for my to-do section, and I decided to go with the brown. I just thought that matched the best of those 3 colors. So once that is done, we're moving to the sidebar after I pop in the weekend banner. So instead of using a full box this week, since there wasn't one, I went with the, like, empty box that was on the box's page. I know you're supposed to use this for, like, big events or whatever, but I just decided to pop in one of these Capital Chic Designs Fashion Girls, and I'll tell you right up front that my lettering here is terrible. I'm very much out of practice when it comes to cute lettering. I used to be kind of good at it, and I just stopped doing it as much. I had to switch to this 0.5 tip of the Villa Beautiful pen to kind of clean it up a little bit, but it still looks like crap. So there's that. I also messed up my lettering on the other box that I did. But I really just looked through the Capital Chic's book, and I saw where it said "Stay Wild," and I thought that would be a cute little quote to put in there. Too bad my lettering looks horrible, but that's fine. At least she looks cute. And then I popped in the June sticker at the top of the column. And then at the bottom, I'm going to put in my weekly cleaning list. And this week, I chose this brown. It matched, like, perfectly. So I'm just going to put it down at the bottom. And then to fill in the middle here, I pulled the This Week sticker instead of using my usual top 3 sticker. And then I just cut down this checklist and put that in right there. And then I'm going to pull a half box for, like, my highlight. And I decided to go ahead and write in, like, a cute little saying on there. And I had a little extra room, so I pulled this washi strip and just trimmed it down. I love that pattern. That's really cute. And then just to kind of add a little bit more, I pulled in one of the smaller Fashion Girls and just kind of layered it over the box and the to-do list. And then just threw in a couple of cute little pieces of deco there. So this week for my top 3 was working more on my trip planning, which I didn't do. I just didn't do it. And then budgeting and getting some presents for my sister's birthday. And then again, just looking through the book to find, like, a saying that I liked. And I found leopard is my favorite color, which I love. And then I messed up the L, like, right off the bat. Part of the problem is that the planner has gotten really bumpy because of the stickers. And yeah, that's what happened to the L. And then I just got mad at it. But it's fine. I had a couple more pieces of deco over to the right. And another little girl sticker. I tried to use as many as I could. I've pretty much used like definitely more than half the book. Maybe like 3/4 of that book. I love it so much. I need to get another one. And then I wanted to mark on Monday, Memorial Day. So I pulled this Rose Colored Days sticker. And then I pulled this flag from some old Crafty Banana deco. So I just kind of layered that. And then this box here is for my workout for that day. And then I just pulled in 2 of the little dots for a quick to-do list of some things I wanted to get done. One of them was scheduling a reservation at the state park, and then ordering my sister's presents. And then on Tuesday, I put in this box for my workout. And then this day was when my new plum paper planner was arriving, or it was set to arrive. Luckily it did. And so I just pulled the planner from the kit and used the leftover to-do list to mark in that. I do have my review up if you would like to go and check that out. I will link it in a card for you and down in the description. And then I'm just adding some more of these girls because I couldn't help myself. I think they're so cute and I wanted to use as many as I could. And I didn't have full boxes with this kit, so I'm just kind of filling some space too. Okay, so on Wednesday, I wanted to mark in that I was getting Blue Apron a little bit late this week because of Memorial Day. So sometimes I'll mark it in and sometimes I won't, but if there's a change in the schedule, I definitely mark it in because that kind of affects when I cook. And then those 2 boxes on Wednesday and Thursday are for my workouts for those days. And then I'm just pulling some meal prep stickers from Once More with Love to mark in cooking. I just think they're cute for like any kind of meal stuff. So I'm marking in cooking dinner because it does take some time, and not that my schedule is really full right now, but I did want to mark in like when I'm gonna cook. Although I did get off schedule because Friday I went for a hike and I exhausted myself and I didn't drink enough water. I just did too much and it was just a bad idea. I totally made all the mistakes in the scenario, but I got kind of like, I didn't get overheated. I just was dehydrated and I just felt like crap on Friday. So I didn't end up cooking, but I'll cook on Saturday and Sunday. I didn't bother changing it though, because it kind of just fit in the space really well. And I remembered on Monday that I wanted to mark in meal prepping because on Mondays I've been meal prepping my breakfast and lunches. And so I just wanted to set aside some time for that. And then I had just a little bit of space to fill, and so I pulled this leopard strip from the Capital Chic Designs sticker book, and I'm just trimming that down to fill that space just so it wasn't like super awkward in there. And then back to the weekend here, I wanted to put in some workout stickers and also there's the grocery pickup. I love her scripts in her kits. They're all very useful to me. Just putting in cooking dinner and writing again. I don't know what my problem was with like writing this week, but I wasn't doing so great at it. So here I was going to put in that for my workout, but first I wanted to mark in working on my goals and like prepping for the next week. So I was going to pull a planner sticker. I couldn't find one that I liked, so I just pulled one of the Moxie Life stickers because I worked in my Moxie Life on my goals. So even though I don't actually have that cover on my planner right now. And I'm using the companion notebooks. I need some companion notebook stickers. No, I don't. I have plenty of planner stickers. Okay, so on Sunday, it was a little tricky because of the space that I had left, but this box kind of fit in there perfectly. So that's going to be for my workout on Sunday. And then I just filled in a couple of to-dos. And then for my habits this week, I'm doing a daily walk, usually in the mornings, my AM routine, and then closing my Apple Watch rings. It's just a gauge for how the day went. So I'm just adding in a couple more to-dos here. And one last check of this spread, and the pre-planning is finished. Here is this spread all finished up. It turned out so cute. I love that I added those Capital Chic Design stickers. I think they really brought a little something to the spread, and it just looks so cute. I love it. So let's look at what I have left in the kit, or the 3 pages that I got. I used quite a bit of this little kit. Almost all the washi. I need to save those numbers because those are good. Also, my goals. I did pretty well this week. Not like outstanding or anything, but I did get quite a bit done. I thought that I kind of wore myself out last week with like all the deep cleaning and stuff, but I did get some things done. I got my kitchen organized, which was supposed to be on next week's list, but got it done. Feeling really good about the health and wellness, although I did, I went for a hike on Friday here, and I was still sore from like this workout and like doing a lot of stuff around the house, and I totally just like wiped myself out. And this rest of this day was like, I just was like laying on the couch and I got kind of sick. I didn't drink enough water. It was totally my fault, but it was not good. And then Saturday, I just kind of took it easy in the morning, and then Sunday morning, which is when I'm filming this, taking it easy in the morning. I'm hoping Monday I'll be back like energy level wise, but man, I did too much on Friday, but now I know, and then next week when I go, I'll like not do as much. But it was really good to get out there. It was nice. I did not get any progress done on my trip planning, but I'm going to make that a goal for next week. So it was a good week. I enjoyed it. I didn't do anything like monumental, but I feel like I was very productive. So I feel like for the summer, that's pretty good. And like I said, I love how this turned out. It's super cute. I do have one more spread left in this planner before I make a full switch to my plum paper, which I do have that review up. I will link it down in the description for you if you want to check out what I will be using in the future. But I'm planning to do a plan as I go plan with me for next week. So I know you guys like those, and I thought we could finish with that in this planner. But I love this planner. I think it's so cute, and it's really, really just, it's a great planner option for a lot of people, and I'm kind of sad to see it go. Although I will say I have like half the planner left and it's undated, so I can come back to it if I want to, which is really nice to have that option. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how your week went. I'm always curious, and I'll see you next time. Bye.